Welcome viewers to this special organizer podcast in which we are going to talk about the black days of the emergency. And our special guest today is Medhatai Somaiya, who is an author and a social as well as a political activist who braved arrest in the black days of emergency. She has been teaching organic chemistry in her years at Ruya College, and she has also worked for the poor and the downtrodden and towards a women empowerment. She has been felicitated with, or rather, her organization Jana Shikshan Sanstha has been awarded the President's Literacy Award by President Pranab Mukherjee in 2015. Welcome, Medhatai.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you very much for calling me here in this organizer episode.
No, it's our honor. And we would really like to know about the massive struggles that all of you activists who were young, then teenagers and not some kind of well-trained political personalities, you were mere students in schools, colleges, and with all the big leaders in jail, you were really completely at your own guidance. So we would like to know, we have heard a lot about how during the black days of emergency, which is a blotch on Indian democracy, we are so proud of India's democracy, but that period from 1975 June to March 1977 is a blotch that we would really wish was not there. So please, can you tell me a little about the entire thing? We will go step by step. How did you get into the system which became the opposers of this kind of a black rule?
Yesterday when we talked or when you called me, you made me nostalgic. Thank you for that. Remembering those days are now, it is my privilege also, and I actually feel that I was living those days for last 24 hours again and again. So thank you very much for that. Of course, those days were not so very happy days as I had experienced for last 24 hours. Those were very, 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 I can say, horrible.
Nightmarish.
Yes, horrible experiences we had. Your first question, how I came in this system to agitations and satyagraha movements and opposing emergency is because of my parents, because of my family. They were RSS, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha family. My father, Dr. Achyut Mahadev Oak, was arrested during first Mahatma Gandhi when assassinated, and that time there was Gandhi Hatya case and he was imprisoned. He was jailed in that particular moment. And my father's father, means grandfather, was he was
member of the Hindu Mahasabha.
Yeah, he was Hindu Mahasabha Karyakarta.
What was his name?
His name was Mahadev Govind Oak. He was also doctor, but he was also...
Your father's arrest during Gandhi's assassination was absolutely unfair because there was no connection and the government had tried to concoct a connection that time, the Nehru government.
So basically what I wanted to emphasize is we are staunch RSS persons. And I got that, in my birth, from my birth, or my upbringing, everything was because of that. I used to get the many newspapers or the publications which are related to Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha, and we were also trained under Rashtra Sevika Samiti. Actually, Rashtra Sevika Samiti is organization which is like a parallel organization. It is not a part of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha, but the mission, vision, everything is same.
Yeah, sister organization.
Yeah, we can say that. So, Vandaniya Maushi Kelkar, under the guidance of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha founder, Dr. Keshav Bari Ram Hedgewar, they started this organization, and I had taken, I was third year trained for Rashtra Sevika
So
Samiti.
step by step training. So you had completed 3 years of training.
And my father, my mother, both were of that, the national, very, very RSS persons, and they were working for Bharatiya Jana Sangh at that time. And they were contested the election, though there was no hope of having, getting represented by that
Yes.
particular social scenario. But then also they tried to be we can say the crusader of this particular vichardhara, or
So you were like the third generation of rebels
yes,
and socially and patriotically
nationalistic,
inclined. Yeah.
nationalistic type
Nationalistic.
of type.
Never mind. So you were living where? Where was your grandfather? Where was your father? And where were you all brought up?
My grandfather was in Raigad district, Goregaon village, Goregaon. My father was in Alibag, same Raigad district, but Alibag village, Revdanda.
Okay.
And I was brought up in that particular village only. I remember that at that time there was no electricity, no roads, nothing. But my father was so socially inclined that though he was eye surgeon, he started practicing general practitioner in that particular village,
to
because
serve
there
the
were
people.
because there was
Awesome.
no doctor. So that came to me, and that is what I can get my heritage. And I am very proud of it. That is what I got it. Because of them, I am in this. I was in.
What brought you to Mumbai then?
Because there were no colleges.
Okay.
So for college studies, I completed my 11th. That time it was not 10 plus 2 plus 3. It was 11 plus 4 type of educational system. So I was a meritorious student. I got open merit scholarship when I gave it in the 4th class. It was for 12 more years. I used to get scholarship from government. And then I came to Mumbai to take higher education, rather we can say, that is for first year and second year science.
Okay.
That first year was considered as first year, and second year was considered as inter science.
Okay.
So after inter science, I was planning to go for the medicine.
Okay.
But during that course of time, I was staying with my paternal uncle at Vijayanagar Society, Andheri. And I had taken admission in Parle College. Now it is known as Sathe College.
Okay.
So when I was in the Sathe College, some person, 2 or 3 boys came and searching for me. They got this news that one of the RSS person's daughter is taking, it is admitted. She is admitted in the college.
So it's like a family. So they come looking for their. It's RSS is a huge family.
Yeah.
So they come looking not only for contact, even help, anything you
No,
require.
that time emergency was there.
Oh, during emergency.
During emergency. So I took admission during June 1975.
Okay.
Immediately emergency started.
My God.
And that time we were not aware that what is happening and what are the consequences. But we were knowing that it is something wrong going on. Because Atalji was arrested. Many leaders, which we used to be our role models, were arrested. And we were aware of Navanirman. We were aware of Samagra Kranti. We were aware of Jai Prakash Narayan's movement altogether. And when they got arrested, and we also were we were also going through the newspaper reading was a very fond. We were very fond of that. It was compulsory in my home. This my house. Father used to discuss everything along with us. So we were knowing about Indira Gandhi's case against Raj Naran, which is filed, and she has to resign as prime minister of India, and
which
she denied that. She denied that, and then she has announced emergency. That you know very well. And Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was then president. He signed that. And that was, we were knowing all these things, but we were not knowing what are the consequences. So for that, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh was again came, means they had hand in hand working with Jayaprakash Narayan's Loka Sangharsha Samiti and Samagra Kranti program.
Yeah.
And that
RSS
time,
had thrown its full weight behind JP. that
yes,
time.
JP Andolan. JP is actually Gandhian. Okay, but Nanaji Deshmukh was a catalyst who brought Gandhian JP and Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh together. And because of that, that Lok Sangharsha Samiti got lot of strength of cadre-based Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. And then they started movement of we can say Satyagraha, which was basically initiated by Mahatma Gandhi ji. So then we started Satyagraha, and for that purpose the boys were coming to me and they asked me whether you will able to are you interested in this? Will you able to participate in Satyagraha, which we are going to.
Yeah, it carried its risks. No, Satyagraha was not going to be simple to insist
Not
upon
at all,
truth
not at all.
in a government that was cracking down heavily upon
Yes,
people,
yes.
carrying out midnight arrests, gagging the press, and every kind of dissent, every kind of opinion was completely thrashed here and there. It was not easy to offer
Not at
Satyagraha.
all, not at all, not at all.
And with your
many-
parents far away, that was a very brave step,
yes.
.
Actually, what happened at that time, then I asked my father whether I should go or not, because I have not answered that those particular boys. You must be knowing Vimalji Kedia, Ratan Sharda,
Yeah.
Jagdish Baliga, and Purushottam Shenoy.
All
They
these
were
are your
those
college
boys.
contemporaries.
Yes. So they were there and they asked me whether you are interested, if you are able to do this agitation or not. I told them, firstly, I have to ask my father.
Correct.
I think that if it is coming from RSS, that means I have to do it. But then also without his permission,
Correct.
I can't do.
Yeah.
So then he told me, my father told me, it was very simple language, one sentence he told, of course you should go. Only thing is that take care that no bullet fire.
Yeah.
So you should be safe.
Yeah.
That's what my concern.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Try to
whatever
be
you
safe,
want,
yeah.
Otherwise, whatever you want, you are free to do it. That much freedom we were having in my family.
Correct.
And
So June the emergency was declared, and December you people decided to November
December.
15 to Jan 15 was
Hmm.
the decision, right?
So-
yeah. November 15, 75 to Jan 15,
26.
20, 76. It was the idea.
Sorry, not 26.
76 was the idea.
Hmm.
And so when did you jump into the fray?
I jumped in somewhere in 21st or 22nd of December
Okay.
in Parla College.
Okay.
We had that agitation.
Okay.
That time, the pamphlet distribution is also, we can say it is something having a different type of experience.
Yeah,
we
you
used
were
to
not
have.
allowed to share
No.
any anti-government.
No. Every
papers.
news has to be gone through censor.
Yes.
Whatever the Doordarshan is giving, only one channel was there. Whatever the news they used to give has to be gone through the
Correct.
censor.
Even newspapers,
Newspapers. also.
Goenka published on Indian Express a blank
Yes,
first page
yes,
because that
yes.
was the level of gagging.
Yes, yes,
Nobody was allowed, and
Mhm.
even in news, you could report accidents probably or other things, but not political rallies or opinions.
Right.
Total
Very
gagging.
correct.
That's emergency.
So that time, to distribute the pamphlets, to say something, utter a word about, against, whatever you want to say, against Indira Gandhi
You're risking
or
something.
India, that was whispering campaign, that was also very, very difficult
risk.
to manage. So the pamphlets has to be to carry the pamphlets, to distribute the pamphlets, to say something about. To another thing is that wall painting. We used to do wall painting because there was no
graffiti.
because there was no communication means and tools
Correct.
to go till.
So that means in the dead of the night on the sly, you all came,
Yes,
painted
yes.
some walls and
Yeah,
scooted.
yeah. Same thing happening.
God.
And then, of course, having that type of, some, then used to have some people used to come together and say something like that. And that was also not allowed. And so that time I remember that we used to conduct, we used to organize, we used to have good events like Git Ramayana.
Hmm.
Sudhir Phadke was on
Yeah,
forefront.
Babuji was on the forefront of. Babuji has taken part even in liberation of
Yeah,
Goa,
Goa, yes.
along with his wife.
Yes, yes. So he used to come and he used to say the Geet Ramayana, and that he used to give that emphasis.
Gazi Madgulkar's.
Yeah. And he used to give that how Ravan is beaten by Ram. So what is dharma, what is adharma, and what is today's dharma and what is today's adharma.
Wonderful.
So he used to
That
tell
was
me-
allowed? Religious gatherings were allowed?
Religious, that was the event. No, that was Sanskritik. Means it's
Actually, he
social,
was being
yeah.
smart
Yes,
under
yes,
religious.
yes.
He's
So
trying
it was
to-
not religious. It was not as religious.
Yeah.
It was
It
like
was more
a
like a
social gathering. We can
camouflaged messaging.
say. Yeah, that is true. But he was
Even
very.
those pamphlets you said your fellow students came and gave you,
Hmm.
I wonder how they got it printed, because even printing presses were watched.
Yeah, they were under. We can say in that some go downs and. Under the building somewhere, they used to print it and then used to give. And how many, 100 pamphlets means it is like we are having like 1 kilo, 1 kg
Yeah.
gold in our hand.
Yeah. How did you manage to distribute them in college, and what was that trouble we hear you got into in college?
That is what it's called as satyagraha. And therefore, what we said is on that day in morning, 11 o'clock, we gathered together. We were having our haversacks with us because we used to go, we were knowing that we are going into the jail. And when are we going to get free? That also was not very clear about us.
And
How
what did
many
you
times-
carry in your haversack? Some basic clothes? And...
Yeah, clothes, toothbrush, paste.
Oh my God.
Then comb and everything. That is what generally
For
one or two books.
teenagers to be facing
One or
this,
two books.
today my heart goes out to that little teenager, you know.
Even I was not carrying a second pair of my chappal. Only small bag I I was supposed to carry.
Yeah.
And then we were arrested. And while doing that, our professors tried to, console us. Do not do this. This is not good and everything.
Yeah.
And during that time, my one professor was telling me that you are meritorious students, don't do that like that. And I was just running away. And this calf, leaf and everything, he get a little bit hurt on that also.
He tried to snatch your
Yeah,
pamphlets,
no,
and
yeah,
you got
and
into some kind of a scuffle with your professor.
Yes.
And in that process, his sleeve was torn a bit.
Torn up, and that only not, but he got the scratch also. I'm very,
Yeah.
very sorry about that. It was not my
Yeah,
good
he was
gesture.
trying to do his duty
yeah.
because
But it was
he
happening.
wanted you safe, and secondly, he was not authorized to allow this on the
Yes,
campus.
yes.
And you, with your teenage RSS spirit, wanted to.
And there were many, around 11 students were there. I was not alone. I was a part of this group.
Huge group.
And 4 or 5 girls and 4 or 5 boys.
Okay.
We were together, and
Then what happened after you did this?
After that, I was everybody was arrested, and then we were
Who
taken-
alerted the police but about this whole incident?
college.
College had to
Yes,
inform.
college.
Otherwise, they would face the music. So they told what scuffle happened on the campus. So they squealed on you, and the
they
police
called
came.
police, yeah.
And the police
came
put you in
in
directly into jail. No.
no, in police station first, and
Okay.
that night was nightmare.
What did they do?
Because nothing, that they have not done anything, because we were already dumped in one small cage like room, and just
Which
before
police
us,
station?
airport police station, Parle East.
Ji.
And just again, opposite wing was completely filled with gents under trial prisoners, and they were horrible. They were that time. At that time I got scared little bit, but the next day I was okay. Only 4 or 5 girls were there.
Girls.
All are criminals with us.
You remember their names, your girlfriends?
Yes. There are few. Rajashri was there.
Rajashri who?
Rajashri Pethe was her name. she was there. Sucheta was there.
Sucheta.
Sucheta's surname I don't recollect, but she was also there. So we three were.
All RSS
Yeah,
progenies.
yes. One or I think Sucheta was not having that RSS program, but she was, one of the activists, and she was independent.
Sevika Samiti is activist?
No, she
Just
was
an activist.
but
Aware
she was
and
knowing,
conscious.
aware and conscious, and she was on forefront of all these groups and all. So we were there,
Okay.
and then there were from other colleges also. Then they shifted us in Arthur Road jail.
Oh, I thought as much. I was expecting Arthur Road first.
So we were in Arthur Road jail, and then we got those days were really happy days, because we were having so many. We started coming on people. Means all the girls are coming in, and the leaders were coming in, and then
Oh,
then-
happy in the sense you were joined by more activists.
yes.
But I'm sure being incarcerated is not an happy
But
experience.
during those days in Arthur Road jail, we used to do anything,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, but you had to
Outside
change
and-
into a sari in the jail and all that. There was a uniform given to you.
No, because we were under trial.
Okay.
So under trial, and we were not above 18, na?
Yeah.
So they were not compared.
Oh,
At
you
that
should
time,
have
it was not
ideally been sent to a
juvenile court.
Oh, yeah.
But then also it has to go through the proper channel. Na?
Correct.
So people were coming in like,
Hordes.
yeah.
Because so many people were agitating, no? RSS was backing JP, and there were also the trade unions.
Yes.
So-
Trade union was under George Fernandez. He was our hero.
George Fernandez, seriously, sir.
Really, he's
Underrated.
he's a really gem of the person.
Yeah.
And his friendship with Atal Bihari Vajpayee was, after that also, it continued till so many years, until the death of Atal.
And George Fernandez riled Indira Gandhi like anything.
Anything, yes.
Matlab, she hated and feared him so much.
His image photograph with the bandit in that photograph. He was contesting the election. He was Baroda Dynamite bomb case. He was arrested under that.
Yes.
So he was that
I
image
was a very young girl when I remember my sister said that my elder sister said that he braved to do that,
yes.
and that was really something.
But it was not very successful, I can say. But this Ahimsa Satyagraha with the people's force made Indira Gandhi think differently.
Yeah, totally.
And then
So he also arrived in Arthur Road jail? George
no, he
Fernandez?
was not there. We met Mrunal Gore.
Hmm.
There was many other people also. This Ahilya Ramnekar was also for there.
Okay.
But there were so many jails. Then they used to shift to other jails. They were not
Yeah.
kept in the same jail. I remember one thing very nicely, that it was 31st December night.
Okay.
And that time we used to celebrate because we were so young people and all.
Yeah.
And only they are separate, means honored jail. Honored jailmates were there. They are very prisoners were honored, na, because Rajakiya Kaidi.
Correct.
used to-
Political prisoners is a different.
So they used to get good food to eat.
Okay.
We never used to get good food.
Oh.
That Bawanpatti ka bhaji and roti and everything was very
Oh my
hard to
God.
get. And 5 o'clock they used to pack, means they used to dump us in. There only we have to go for pee and everything. Everything
Oh
was
God.
going on there.
So congested
Yeah,
room,
yeah.
no sanitation
No,
facility to speak well about. And how many dumped in one cell?
I think 20 to 25. And not only Khali, like girls like us, all were there. Na? There were criminals with
Criminals.
children and everything.
So all of you all in one jail, even though you all were
Because
politics.
there are barracks.
Barracks, yeah.
So every barrack has capacity.
Correct.
And in that particular...
No, but even though you're smiling and laughing about it because it's the past, I can imagine the plight of a young teenager coming from a
Yes.
privileged background,
Yes.
being dumped into a jail with 25, 30 other criminal or non-criminal women with children and no sanitation facilities worth speaking.
No, nothing to sleep on, like
Yeah.
nothing. Only one, something to spread, and then take one kambal or something like that, which was also used by
And there was
somebody else.
no clue when you will be out, when the
No.
trial will be done. You had your friends along with you in there at least as some moral support, or
Of
were
course,
there
of course, because we have done it with
Together.
2-3 people, and then there are many other students joined with us, different colleges. Meera was there from MCC college. There were many. There were many girls were there, and not only in Orthodox jail. They were in different jails also there. And in jail, we used to discuss everything. And jail was like a school,
yeah.
because morning some session was there, in evening some session. So I was talking about 31st December.
Yeah, sorry.
So Mrunal Gore used to get, but there was no cake. So Mrunal Gore used to get rice, and rice used to get like this, in the
Mood banwaye
both.
ji.
So in that particular type. So what we used to do, then we requested her, Madam, means Mrunal Tai, we want to celebrate that. You do whatever you want to do, but we are with you. And then
In
she
this-
took the special permission from the jailer that we will celebrate in the jail, and that we cut that cake of the rice. We ate.
क्या
And
करें ना,
then-
survival techniques. You try to draw joy out of simple things.
Yes. But then they used to take us in the court, and there were so many people used to come.
See,
Few of
because
us-
that is because the jailers and the policemen themselves did not agree with the policies of Indira Gandhi, but they were forced to put you in jail and retain you there. So the least they could do is like not heap atrocities upon you and try to give you a normal
Yes,
day.
yes. And another way I will tell you, this is a one side of the coin, but
Hmm.
other side of the coin where we can say in the society as such, it was horrible. It was just like, people who were there in the jail, at least they were inside the jail, but their family members had suffered a lot.
Yeah, I can imagine if there's a single male or a single mother taking care of the children and is put in jail, what happens to the family?
Yeah, then RSS has started giving ration to all these families. Sumitra Tai Mahajan was that time started actively working as a worker to provide the ration to all these NISA
Affected
affected
families.
families and that. So there were so many like that.
Yeah, see, because I know from these figures that out of the 1.5 lakh, roughly, approximately, that offered Satyagraha,
Uh-huh.
I'm not talking about the MISA arrested people in
Mhm.
June and otherwise. I'm talking of December Satyagraha. 1.5 lakh roughly offered Satyagraha out of around 5,000 plus places.
Hmm.
Out of that, 80,000 were RSS cadres.
Yes.
And 44,000, nearly 45,000 were arrested from that under DIR and MISA.
Yes.
2,500 तो women थे उसमें.
Hmm.
And so many RSS and other swamsevaks also were martyred also inside jail or
Yes,
whatever.
some socialists were
So it
there,
was not
communists were there,
easy
Marxists
task,
were there.
neither inside nor outside.
Yeah.
for
Inside
the
we
family.
were not aware because we were together.
Yeah, you were students and they were probably not heaping atrocities
Huh.
upon you.
Huh.
But there were tales
There
of
were many people.
senior leaders and
Yes,
males
yes,
especially
yes.
having to tolerate
Yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of things.
And I'll tell you, Jayanti Ben Mehta was there. Then Durga Ben Trivedi was there. Piyush Goyalji's mother was there with me.
Oh.
She was also there.
Oh.
She was arrested. They were having such a small, young kids at home. Then too these
Mothers,
ladies,
yeah.
these mothers, they used to come and they used to protest, and then they used to be jailed. Then what people used to give us, that there was one privilege that you can meet your jail mate, some or the other. Then our families used to come. They used to bring some or the other things. There was, I think, I remember there was Sankranti. Then lot of gud polis used to come. Somebody is getting some,
Your academic year, meanwhile, was going for a toss.
Yes.
Studies were going on in college, and this meritorious student was missing.
And then that was
You were in the ABVP cadres,
Yes.
right? You were a
means it was
Akhil
called
Bharatiya
as
Vidyarthi,
ABVP.
हाँ,
It
Akhil
was
Bharatiya
ABVP
Vidyarthi
was also
Parishad.
banned. It was also not our working.
Hmm.
So we were under because we
Rashtra
were
Sevika,
students.
yeah.
So I was a member of ABVP at that time, but the membership was not open.
Yeah.
It was under that. So that one then because it was very difficult to manage those people in the jail, they
Hmm.
started leaving them, and we were
Yeah.
allowed to
After
go
a
out.
while, allowed to go.
So
But not
I was
so
there
with
in
others.
21 days in the jail.
Hmm.
But after that, we were aware what has happened. And then that is actually, you can say, the triggering point where the students like me became staunch activists
Yeah.
because we were aware,
Yeah.
we were knowing what has happened. And then it started coming through the different different parts of the societies, divisions of the societies. Then Pura Deshpande was out, Durgabai Bhagwat, she also rebelled. In Karad,
They put
Sahitya
even Pula
Sammelan.
in jail.
Hmm?
Pula Deshpande also.
No, he was not in the jail. He
He was
just
out means you
out.
said he was
Yeah.
free.
Yeah, he was.
Okay.
He was there. Then there were so many people
त्यांनी
used to come.
शालजोडीतले हाणले असतील.
Yeah, of course, Pula Deshpande was in Sangharsha Samiti, where organizing. No, I think I have to classify this emergency period into 3 different phases. One is before Satyagraha.
Hmm.
Another is during the Satyagraha.
Hmm.
That is 3 months.
Satyagraha is December 1975.
And after Satyagraha.
Okay.
After Satyagraha, it compelled Indira Gandhi to announce the elections.
Okay.
And when elections were announced, these people came and they started, putting themselves in this, this group of opponents.
Yeah.
Till that, everybody was not out. But they were in between, there was currents which are flowing in between. And that was very strong current, which Indira Gandhi couldn't understand.
Yeah.
That time she was not.
I was a small girl that time, and I remember my father and my uncles would participate in some kind of protest, but we were told completely at home not to say anything in the neighborhood, not to speak about it to anybody else. So all these underground activists and people, their families were also living in peril, like पता नहीं जा रहे हैं वापस आएंगे कि नहीं, ये जेल ही चले जाएंगे, and if they are the only earning members in the family, I can imagine what happens.
And what happened now, the society was also not supporting them. The other families from that particular side, suppose the child is
Fear.
there. A child is there. One person is gone in the jail. No? The other families from the same child, they never used to
Fear.
Previously, they used to sit together and have fun and everything. But during that course, nobody was.
No, because there was an iron hand clamp down by Indira Gandhi.
Yes.
So out of association also could be one of the clauses why they put you in. Because see, during that time they had suspended all the rights.
Yes.
Apart from these lakh plus activists and political activists, journalists, opposition leaders that were jailed, media was censored, everything, and mass sterilization that this guy took up, Sanjay Gandhi.
That was a very, very, very bad.
Can you imagine such a basic right being stamped?
And another thing is that Turkman Gate, what has happened by Sanjay Gandhi.
Correct.
That master, that was, that was again a very difficult, very, we can say, horrifying experiences. And then general public started opposing Indira Gandhi and specifically Sanjay Gandhi. So that was happening, and that was, and during that course of time, we were aware of everything. I passed my first year properly, but then when I came into second year, inter science. After that, I used to go. I was supposed to go to medical. So in that particular days, only the election came, and we were all in that election campaigning and everything.
Yeah, 77 election, Janata Party, backed by various forces, including the RSS.
Yes. So that time, my parents and my uncle and everything, that they were trying to tell me that you first focus on your studies, but at that time it was not possible for me. So I couldn't get admission in MBBS because, but then that is okay.
That was okay. Then you went into organic chemistry.
Then I took chemistry. Yeah, one thing is there. After we completed that first year, Parle College abandoned us, rusticated.
Oh,
Not admission, no admission to these who have offered Satyagraha.
oh.
Then where to go for
Yeah,
search with
then-
college? Then I had been to Bhavan's College, Andheri. They have they were very they were very good sadharadhan, or they have considered ourselves. And we were
Bhavans
taken-
also has a very nationalistic and patriotic background,
Yes,
no?
yes. And they were having that Gujarati trustee people, and they were from Navnirman and everything. So we were there at that time. So I was admitted.
So you
again.
completed your graduation in science
Yeah.
over there. And when?
Then
What about your
organic
MSc?
chemistry.
What about your MSc?
MSc, I was in National College, Bandra.
Okay.
I completed my MSc. Then I started. I started working as teacher.
Okay. Throughout in Ruia or?
No. Previously, I got first appointment from Mitibai College, and I was there for 3 years. And then 81 to 84 I was in Mitibai. 84 onwards till 2007 I was in Ruia. And then I completed my PhD. But that PhD was also a long. It's not nowhere related to emergency, but we can say the बीज जो होता है ना वो इमरजेंसी में ही बोया हुआ था of that social work. So I took my subject was झोपड़पट्टी पुनर्वसनाचे राजकारण.
Okay.
So I started
Rehabilitation,
working-
the politics of the rehabilitation
Huh.
of
Slums.
slums. Okay.
Politics of
That was your PhD.
Yeah.
And then you continued your social service work
I
also
started
in that line.
Actually I was in continuation with the social service from
Okay.
75.
Okay.
So
And
social
what kind of
political.
social service happens when you talk about?
I used to go in the the children's home.
Especially in the slum area.
Not slums. Slums came after that.
Hmm.
Previously, the children home
Okay.
to deal with them. Then adoption.
Okay.
I used to do then help for the senior person help and everything.
Gee.
So I used to do Then Divyang who were visually impaired or all these they were not able to listen properly.
Yeah.
Hearing impaired or like
Hmm.
that. So I used to do that work also. But during that course of complete. And then political work, I was also politically active. I was a part and parcel of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha.
Okay, BJ.
Yeah. And I was a national committee member for that.
Of BJYM.
BJY.
Okay.
So that goes hand in hand because that time politics is considered to be the tool to do some social work.
Yeah.
So we used to do both together.
Okay.
Everything goes hand in hand. Then I got married, and then my husband came in politics. I used to support him a lot, and then it goes on and on. But that was seeds what I got. That is from the jail. Of course, it was from my family itself. But then also that staunchness has came from the jail.
Yeah. To be true, when from around 30, 35 years ago, when I had come to Mumbai as a young college student for some reason, and I was also in my college years in Nasik, guided by a few ABVP students. When I came to Mumbai, your name was continuously mentioned.
Arre
So I
baap re.
knew Medhatai Oak very well
my
from then.
Maiden name was
So Somaiya comes a little tough to me, but Medhatai Oak comes naturally to me because that time I had heard
So
that.
you must be remembering Medha Oak. Because
Yeah,
that
Medha
time
Oak,
I
yeah,
was
Medha Oak.
Medha Oak.
That's it. But
It was like that only.
yeah.
And that time, of course, after that Satyagraha movement, the third part was elections. And then Janata Party came. And at that time, it was the first time we can say all parties came together against Indira Gandhi, and that was, we can say, all party. And then Atalji became, the Atalji. Like his, aura was, growing like anything. And I remember his poems used to be very famous. I used to recall all the time. Kaidi Kavirai ki kundaliyan, kaun sa rasta chunu mein. प्यादे से पिट गया वजीर. All these poems were so touching to hearts of the people. And then he was appreciated by international politics also, because he was that he was
He was
Videsh
made of
Mantri.
different metal altogether.
I mean, external affairs minister at the time when Morarji Desai was prime minister. And then he was appreciated and he was accepted by all. Otherwise, no Sangh person was accepted by any of the political leaders.
It's because
And
of those
not
bans that the
international.
Congress continuously put.
And not international leader also.
Yeah.
So I remember there were 3 times RSS got banned. Okay. First time when Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. That time, then they started that we should initiate some political, party which are believing in our vichardhara or our school of ideology. So then Bharatiya Janasangh started. Second time it came in emergency. So that time Janata Party came. And Atalji was, prime face of the Janata Party. And who was Sangha Swayam Sevak. And third time it happened during the Babri Masjid demolition. And that time Atalji became first non-Congressi prime minister.
Yeah, all this led to that hegemony that Congress held all these years. Like it was their birthright to govern this country. That got shaken up. And you got this first non-Congressi prime minister.
And then Congress was also supported by socialists, communists and all these Marxist people. They all diminished. Because the Marx has told us that laborers, kamgar kuch karenge. And Jayaprakash ji told us that youth will do something. The change can be done by youth only.
Yeah.
And so that
One
is
more
what.
thing
I want to tell one thing. I want to tell to our youth who is telling that something is happening. We don't have this. We don't have that. We don't have that. They should go through all these experiences of the history, and they learn about what is emergency, what is MISA, what are the problems they have suffered.
Yeah.
They had gone through lot of this one. And then they should compare that to this.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you, Tai, is that today's youth, for smallest of things, just to plain oppose Modi ji, will say, oh, this is undeclared emergency, this is undeclared emergency. They have no clue what real emergency was and what happened in emergency to anybody who expressed even the slightest of government criticism in their opinions.
Today they are able to say this.
Yeah.
That is what not emergency.
Correct.
And during the emergency, we were never told like this.
Yes.
Or to oppose Indira Gandhi or Sanjay Gandhi or Chandal Chokri.
Yeah. And today so freely they have come out in all ways against the
government. And you should
government.
also compare the international scenario when you are criticizing someone. Where was India at that time?
Correct. And what is the standing today?
Where we are standing today.
Yeah.
What is 370? Why we are not thinking of 370? Why we are not thinking of the, Hormuz, where we are able to go through, but no other country, no European country is going through that.
Yeah.
Why it is happening? Because of our international relations, and which are developed by our government, right? Yeah. This is what it is happening. We don't know how this Ram Mandir is built. Where were you that time? I'm asking them straightly that why. See, criticism is only ism which you can say something, but to do something We should
Yeah.
be in the part of that system.
So, and Modi ji is continuously sought dialogue with the youngsters, whether it is Man Ki Baat or showing a small gesture like the other day, the NEET exam was held. Thousands of students got blocked on the Bangalore road where Congress was holding a political rally. Some students missed their NEET exam while Modi ji landed at the Delhi airport
And
that
he
day.
waited for 1 hour.
Yeah, he waited for 1 hour and he's told his security people, we are not going anywhere, remove all roadblocks, let the students pass freely.
See, this is happening. जैसे बहनाबाई बोलती है ना मराठी में, I am a Maharashtrian
Yeah, yeah.
and I am related.
Yeah, she's
to
a great
Sahitya.
poet, Bahina Bai. What did she
So
say?
she used to tell, भाकरी जो भाकरी करेल त्याचीच करपेल, जो कुछ करेगा उसको ही लोग बोलेंगे ना.
Correct.
तो मोदी जी कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए बोल रहे हैं. If he is not doing it, if he was not doing, he was idle, nothing doing anything.
Well,
Just have
he's done so much for women also.
See,
Muslim
there are
women.
people in Maharashtra also who
Mhm.
used to be, you call them as a leader. At that time, where were they during emergency? What was Shiv Sena doing during emergency? Have you ever thought of it? They were just still. And they were supporting Indira Gandhi. And today's Shiv Sena leader, what he is doing? He is sitting at home.
Yeah,
He is
matlab-
doing nothing.
Yeah, the Uddhav Shiv Sena is sitting at home. The
yes,
other,
yes. Uddhav
Yeah.
Sena, sorry. So he is sitting at home. He is doing nothing. And then there is easy to criticize.
yeah,
People who are doing something, they got criticized. They get criticism.
yeah.
They get opposition. And where we are going, we see one thing is that it is a flow. I always say. I always think in that way. It is a social, you can say our society is flowing. It is not a stagnant society. And when we are flowing, some people are going through the sideline. They are getting sidelined. That is not, and these people who are getting sidelined and not getting what they want to be, they are criticizing the most.
Yeah. In
That's what I find.
democratic flow, you mean?
Under the democratic
Stream.
Yeah. But then this is what it is happening because of the social media. What social media is effectively working under this society.
Yeah.
So what is our role? If you are not able to flow in between, then our role is like walls. And we have to moderate, we have to orient the flow where
that's
society
the role
is
of
going.
a functional, healthy
Yes.
opposition.
Yes.
To be the check and the
Yes,
balance in a
that's what I'm
democracy. Not a rant machine, rant for everything and anything or the wrong things and then do some anti-national work. That's not what an
So
opposition.
emergency was nightmare. Of course, I was jolly telling you all these things, but it was very difficult, and I know that our family members have gone through.
Yeah, in your case, you said like it became too crowding and they let you all out after 21 days. I've heard of many Thais being in jail right up to after the elections were declared.
Yes.
The entire period of emergency, some with their children at home,
Yes.
some unmarried young girls, and a lot of them suffered. They underwent trial. They were declared convicts. They were given the jail saris to wear.
Yes.
Horrible things.
But they were charged. We were under trial.
Yeah.
So there is difference.
Correct.
But then also we were not able to, we were not happy at that time. We were not very, okay, just this is what, because we have already passed all these things.
Yeah, it's all gone now. So
We are
memory dims a
thinking,
bit.
yeah. And doing the memory lane, we always think that positive. So that's okay for me. But it was very difficult. And today there is no possibility of 1% of emergency coming in because the laws have changed.
Yeah, the Janata Party government that came later on with Atalji also a part of it. I think they changed the rules.
Yes.
That you cannot bring this kind of black law again. So now unless there's like some kind of a...
And another thing is that this time also, this government is also changing so many laws which were there for last 120, 25 years.
Yeah, irrelevant British era laws.
Yeah, they're changing.
Yeah.
And I also think that I also feel that education system which Britishers, Macaulay's system
Macaulay's system.
has to be changed.
Yeah, our Gurukul systems were really good. They helped.
I don't know, but it is
flower
on the verge of
blossom.
this. Today's education system has to be changed. It is in the transition state. That's what I
They
find.
see the British government wanted to create clerks for their offices. They had no plan to educate our children and make them scientists or achievers or researchers. They just wanted plain clerks for their offices. Now we have to look at how our Gurukul system used to allow children to blossom, to find their own mojo, their own element, and flower.
So this is a transition state which we are happening, which is happening all over the NEET exam and everything which is going on. So I think so. There are good days, which are
Ahead.
coming ahead, and don't think of emergency. This emergency is, we can say, lesson from which we have to learn something. We have to go ahead and we have to be positive.
See,
for the
remember,
nation.
in this entire South Asian region, we are the stablest force except for the emergency, which has always had democratic transition of power.
Yes.
We are the only country, neither Pakistan, nor Bangladesh, nor Maldives, nor Sri Lanka, nor Nepal, none of these can boast of this one great meritorious credit.
Because once Atalji he was giving interview, because my books have come. You can go through the books also. I wrote about Sushma Swaraj, Arun Jaitley, Sumitra Tai Mahajan, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now I'm writing on Draupadi Murmuji. So all these books, when I study all of them, I understand that Atalji's word, which is like for me it is like a mantra. That is what, because Hindu has blood which is democratic,
Yes.
and therefore our
Totally.
country is democratic. Take some action which is for the betterment of the society. I feel that last generation has done their job. Now the coming generation has to do their job.
Yeah, you have to carry a great legacy ahead, and violence is not the way.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much, Meeratai.
Thank you so
It's
much.
been a wonderful interaction with you, and you shed light, even though you were smiling through it. We know what all it takes to reach this stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to be, so I can remember all these things. And again, I got the boost to do more things for the social cause. Thank you very much.
Thank you.